Hey guys, what's going on? So today I wanted to talk about Playnite, and the reason that I think this launcher is super basically just a must-have for anybody who plays video games or has a lot of software. So the cool thing about this is you can organize it based on your platform depending on how you run everything. So for Battle.net, I do have Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls installed, so that's under Battle.net, and of course Epic Fortnite. I rarely play it, but I mean it's a game that I play it with certain friends, so I just keep it installed, and I just don't have all the excess junk that just takes up so much space. And then Steam, I have the games that I play on Steam, and then of course I have the games that I play that are not on any platform that are just installed on my computer. And this doesn't include everything installed on my computer, of course, but it does include the games that I have. And Playnite is pretty much almost it's almost needed for anybody who has all these launchers, because you can have it set so whenever you play a game it'll load the launcher, and then whenever you're done playing the game it'll close it for you automatically, so you don't have all the excess launchers in the background forgetting to close them, taking up those resources that you need for your gaming. Or if you're even a streamer, it'll prevent all that excess bog in the background. So I just thought that I'd let you guys know that that's some really cool stuff with this. This is probably by far the shortest video I'll ever make because I'm pretty much done with it. But I think Playnite is super helpful, super important for anybody. You can add your software, your games, anything. You can set it by your platform. Remember, if you do have a whole bunch of programs that you use, if you do not have them through a launcher, it'll just show up in none, and you could set manual categories, but that is time consuming. So if you guys want a tutorial on Playnite, just let me know, and I'll make sure that I set it up on my older system so that we can actually go through and I can teach you guys how to organize and get everything looking the way you want. But yeah, I think that Playnite is definitely something that people should look into, and if you're interested, let me know and I will make some more content about it. So see you guys next time. Peace.